How to deactivate Facebook account. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to deactivate Facebook account. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Facebook app on your device. Log in to your account. Tap three-line menu icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down. Tap Settings and Privacy. Choose Settings. Now select See More in Account Center. Scroll down and on the account setting choose Personal Details and select Account Ownership and Control, and on this section select Deactivation or Deletion. Tap your Facebook account and choose Deactivate Account option. Select Continue button and now tap Continue. Enter your password in order to continue and verify your security. After that, tap Continue button and then your Facebook account will be deactivated for 30 days. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.